Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it is December 3rd, so we're opening up the third box in both the advent calendars. And if you didn't see yesterday's video, that was when we opened Star-Lord's presents and the Quidditch rings. So now, we are on to the third box. Let's get started. And it looks like we have some sort of ship. And today we have this ship. And it's a cool looking ship, but I honestly have no idea which ship this is. So if you guys know what this is, can you guys please let me know in the comments down below. Again, it's a cool looking ship, just not sure which one it is. And the third day for the Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Like I said yesterday, I think I know who this is. I was wrong yesterday. Yeah, I think I know what this is. And I was right. And we have The Boy Who Lived, Harry Potter. I wish they put in a different Harry Potter. Like, if they were gonna put in a Harry Potter, I wish they could have put in, like, an exclusive Harry Potter. Maybe given him an exclusive face, or given him a different set of clothes, like maybe his Quidditch clothes, because I think we've only gotten that in one set. So yeah, I wish we got a different Harry Potter, but nonetheless, it's a pretty cool figure. It's good to get the short legs and Gryffindor robes again. And it's cool to get this hairpiece skin that has a little gap to see the scar. He's got his wand there, and if you've noticed, all the builds in the past 3 days have had this kind of coloring, and that is because you can see that they all have the same. And that is because you can see, so there's one of the Sorcerer's Stone, and you can put one of them there, and then there's another one over there, so you can put that one over there. But then you can see that there's not another one here, and that's because you have to put it inside of this. And then there's gonna be a spinner in one of these boxes, and that's how you can play the game. You put everything in here, spin the thing, and it'll say add a block, take away a block, and that's the game that's included inside of this advent calendar. But that is it for Harry Potter. And a review of what we got today: a Guardians ship that I have no idea what it's called, and Lego Harry Potter, The Boy Who Lived. So pretty cool turnout today. Can't wait to see what we get tomorrow. And that is it for this video. So yes, tomorrow when we open up box 4, please remember to make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.